Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to delete a school on Teachable. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Teachable, and when you have a screen looking like this in front of you, you just need to go and of course log into your profile or register to Teachable if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the left side of the screen, we have the home, users, site, sales, emails and settings. We have the courses, coaching, digital downloads, community in the product section. And in the top right corner, we have where you can go and view your school. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete a school on Teachable. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, go to, of course, the settings. So on the left side of the screen, you can see that you have the settings option here. Click there. Now you have the global settings, you have the website and courses. You need to be on the website page. Then scroll down here, more, and here you have the delete school option. You just need to click it, put in the school URL as you can see, and then click delete. And your school will then immediately be deleted. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.